Hey guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing and a little review of the NEXAR Beam dash cam. NEXAR was nice enough to send this out to me to review, so thank you guys for that. I'm super excited to have a dash cam. I've been wanting one for pretty much ever since I got my Jeep. I'm psycho when it comes to my Jeep. I just am always worried about someone hitting it with their door or kids running into it with a bike and just a cart or something while I'm parked at the grocery store. So having a dash cam will not only help for while I'm driving on the road, obviously, but just like if we're parked somewhere and we go into a store, I don't know, just a little more peace of mind when I'm not near the Jeep and things like that. That's the main reason I wanted it. But anyway, let's get into it. I will do a little unboxing first and then we'll get into the rest. When you open the NEXAR Beam dash cam box, obviously first here you're gonna see the dash cam. We'll take that out. And then next here in the box, it says start by downloading the NEXAR app. Just two little stickers you can put on your vehicle, that way people know that you have a dash cam. And then they're gonna give you these 3 steps. So the first one says get ready to drive, how to set up NEXAR in your car. The second one is fine tuning, how to hide the cable in your car. And then 3 is everything else, pretty much any other information you would need to know about the dash cam. The next thing in the box, this has the USB charging cable, the windshield GPS mount, the dual USB cigarette lighter adapter, and then the installation kit. So I open that up to show you guys exactly. It's honestly pretty small. It's probably a little bit smaller than my GoPro that I'm using to film this, but it's a nice size. I feel like it's really discreet. It'll definitely be hidden a little bit in the Jeep, which I like. Once you get the GPS mount set it up on your dash cam, should look something like this. Suction cup and the camera should be facing the same way. The next step is to connect it to your app, which it needs power to do. So you have to go into your car to do it. So I will bring you guys out to my Jeep and show you how I'm going to do it. But if I do miss a step, that number 1 pamphlet tells you step by step on how to do it. The instructions are really clear, which is nice. I know sometimes when you install products on Jeeps and everything, they don't even come with install instructions. So I'm happy these ones are very good. But yeah, so let's go take us into the Jeep and install it. Like I said, set it up to your phone. So to do that, you're gonna need the cigarette lighter and plug the USB end into that. Obviously plug that into your car. And then you're gonna take the other end. This cable is so long, now I see why they give you stuff to hide it. Then you're gonna grab the other cable in this little spot right here. You're gonna set that up, put that in. All right, and then the next step here, start your car, it says, and you should see a green light pop up on the dash cam. The green light right there. Okay, so now we're gonna go into our NEXAR app. I will screen record this so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Let's see, so we're gonna go into the NEXAR app. We're gonna hit let's start. It's telling you to plug it in, engine's running, stay near your dash cam. Okay, got it. So it's just gonna show connecting, assuming, and then it's gonna little message is gonna pop up saying you want to join the Wi-Fi. Hit join. All right, and it's just telling me now. May take up to 20 seconds to actually set it up. Looks like we are good. It's just checking for updates, so we're gonna hit check. Dash cam's up to date. Awesome. Get off to a better start. So it's asking now if we want our dash cam to begin recording automatically as soon as we start our car, which obviously I want. So I'm gonna hit connect Bluetooth. It's gonna connect to that. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna take this little sticker off the camera since I forgot to do that side. So we are good to go. Let's hit done. And so now you're gonna see, it's gonna give you the map and it's gonna say it's connected. So now that it's actually connected, we can go ahead and mount it to the windshield. So the next part, obviously, you're gonna put it wherever you like it, I guess. So obviously it goes behind the rear view. I'm gonna choose to put mine up a little bit higher and then kind of just push it in. And then what's really nice about this too is it's 360. So even when you suction it, you can kind of move it up and down, to the side, just depending on your liking. Alright, so I got it all set up. Now it's time to try to hide this cable because, like I said earlier, it is pretty long. I'm gonna see if I can somehow tuck it underneath my carpet. They give you this little tool, and then they also give you a bunch of these little cable clips. So I'm gonna try to figure out the best route to do that. When I find a better spot, I will show you guys, obviously, but I mean, for right now, it's set up and ready to go. I'm gonna take it for a drive, test out the cam, get some footage, and show you guys what it actually looks like. So what I ended up doing for the wire to make it a little bit more sleek and hidden, so I ran it all the way up here around the windshield, down there, tucked it under the glove box. There's a little bit of room under here that you can hide it, and then down, it's hidden under the carpet, and then I ran it into my glove box because there's a little USB port there too. But I just think it looks a lot cleaner than, like I said, how I had it plugged into here. So, I mean, you honestly can't really tell there's even a wire besides when you look up there, but I think it looks pretty sleek this way. A lot better than the first way, like I said. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you are in the market for a dash cam, I highly recommend the NEXAR Beam dash cam. I've been using it for about a week now and I love it. I have no complaints. Having everything sent to my phone and just being easily accessible within the app is a game changer, and I honestly think that's my favorite feature about the dash cam. But I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can go get yours. And if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It helps me out a lot, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!